Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. Good morning, junior students. How are you all? I hope you all are good. Today, first of all, we should pray the dua of knowledge. As you all know, before we are doing our work, we pray the dua of knowledge. So raise your hands for dua and pray with me. Rabbi zidni ilma. ए मेरे अल्लाह मेरे इल्म में इजाफ़ा अता फरमा. ओ माय अल्लाह इंक्रीज़ इन माय नॉलेज. आमीन. नाउ टुडे डेट इज़ 3 May 2021 and the day is Monday and today work is English book revision. हम जो है as you know that we have already done the work of our English book till Z. And now we are revising all the letters. The first letter of your book is A. What? A. What comes from A? A for apple, A for aeroplane, A for ant, A for alligator. Much more things come from letter A. So we are revising the letters that will make sure to make you remember all of these things as you have done your book. So this is a worksheet given to you with formation. You should have to do this. Trace the letter A. How to trace it with formation? Make a curve. Okay, go up and come down to close. Okay, again make a curve. First of all you should make a curve like that and then go up. Up means go up, आपको ऊपर जाना है अपनी पेंसिल के साथ, and then come down to close, और फिर हमें down करके इसको थोड़ा सा close करना है. That is the formation of letter A. Again I am telling you, make a curve, go up and come down to close. Okay student, as in your previous you have already done with your formation letter A. I am just revising you. That will make you sure remember all these things. Second letter A. This is an activity. Circle the objects starting with letter A. Okay, what are these things? हमें उन letters पे, उन pictures पे circle करना है, उन objects पे that comes from letter A. B for ball, A for ball, और A for ant. A for ant. Why students? Because B for ball. Ball comes from B letter and ant come from A letter. Okay, so we circle the object ant. Second thing, A for apple or A for cat. A for apple. As you all know this. What is apple? Apple is a fruit that you eat. You can eat this. It is a favorite fruit of most of you. And what is color of it? Its color is red. It is red in color. And why we are not circling in the cat? हम circle क्यों नहीं कर रहे cat पे? Because cat comes from K, and we are circling the objects that come from A. तो हमें उन्हीं objects पे circle करना है that comes from letter A. Okay class, in the next worksheet, that is trace the letter B. Trace the letter B. What is this? We should again we are tracing this. हमें यहाँ पे tracing करनी है with formation. How? I am telling you. Go down and turn around. It makes letter B. Go down and turn around. 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 Okay, what is this? This is letter B. This is letter B. B for ball. B for bat. B for butterfly. B for birds. Okay, in the next, what is this letter B? Color the objects starting with letter B. हमें उन letter में color करना है that starts with letter B. What is this butterfly and what is this apple? So butterfly comes from B or apple comes from B? Butterfly comes from B because apple comes from letter A. So we color in the butterfly. Okay students, we are not coloring in the apple because it comes from letter A. So we color in butterfly. It comes from B. Okay, what is this ant and what is this ball? B for ball or B for ant? What is ball? Did you know? Ball that we use for playing, जिससे हम खेलते हैं. बॉयज़ स्पेशली आपको अच्छी लगती हैं बॉल्स, हम यूज़ करते हैं इसको क्रिकेट खेलने के लिए एंड मैनी थिंग्स. सो बा फॉर बॉल, सो वी कलर इन बॉल बिकॉज बा कम्स फ्रॉम बॉल. एंड अ फॉर आंट, सो वी डू नॉट कलर इन आंट. Okay junior class, this is your revision work. Okay, as you know that your book is winded up, so we are giving you worksheet. हम आपको worksheet देंगे and in that worksheet you are revising all this work. Okay, जो आपको given हो रहा है आपको अच्छी तरीके से again आपको revising करना है ताकि papers में आपको ये revise रहे, याद रहे. And learn at your home. और अच्छी तरीके से अपना काम करिए. डू योर वर्क नाइसली एंड ओके. आई होप you understand and take care of yourself. Keep you safe at your home. Bye bye. Love is.